While striving to do our best is important, the constant need to be perfect can often leave us feeling stressed,
But from learning, improving, and accepting ourselves with courage and confidence.
Today's assembly reminds us that our worth is not measured by perfection but by our character, resilience, and willingness to keep growing.
To those who do good and to those who do evil. Why should God reward you if you love only the people who love you? Even the tax collectors do that. And if you speak only to your friends, have you done anything out of the ordinary? Even the pagans do that. You must be perfect, just as your Father in heaven is perfect. This is the word of the Lord.
Offers a meaningful importance on perfection in alignment with our divine purpose. When we think about perfection, it is important to remember that it is not about being flawless, but about being a better version of ourselves.
Dear God, help us to remember that we don't have to be perfect to be valuable. Give us the courage to accept our mistakes, the strength to keep learning, and the wisdom to always do our best. Fill our hearts with confidence, kindness, and peace so that we grow into the people you created us to be. Amen.
Brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents
In today's world, we're constantly surrounded by expectations. To score the highest mark, look perfect, excel in every activity, and always appear successful.
Social media, competition, and comparison have made us believe that making a mistake is a sign of failure. We often scroll to curated highlights
Of trying to fit into a mold that wasn't made for us. True fulfillment comes when we stop trying to be flawless and start being authentic. Our presentation explores this reality through short
months researching, years preparing. They tell themselves, I'll start when I know enough. I'll launch when everything is perfect. I'll post my first video after I improve. I'll chase.
But progress is always within our reach. Every single step forward, no matter how small or trembling, is a victory worth celebrating. When we finally let go of the
successful person has faced failures, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. What truly matters is the courage to keep learning, keep trying
ourselves with others, and instead strive to become the best versions of ourselves. Your path is entirely unique, and running someone else's race will only leave you feeling empty.
Remember, you do not have to be perfect to be valuable. You only have to be willing.